Hi, I'm John Trischler from SPVparts.com, and today I've got an exciting new product to show you for your 2021 Plus Gen 3 Raptor. So for those of you that got the new model or are getting the new model, the Gen 3 Raptor, if you get the 801A package, you're going to get the optional rigid fog lights. Now, Ford originally, at least from the inside information that we had, they were going to do two different lights. They were going to do a DOT approved and then an off-road light. But to the surprise of many people, they actually ended up doing two DOT approved lights, and they just put a cover on the one. Well, the DOT approved fog lights don't really put out the power and the output that most people would expect when they get their new Raptor. For those of you that have been buying lights for your Raptors and your previous gen Raptors, you know you want as much light as you can get. So we've come up with a solution for those who want to keep the factory housing and improve their light output. All right, so now let me show you the Diode Dynamics installed in this case. This is the Diode Dynamics SSC2. You can see just like the rigid and just like the Baja Designs, they fit in that case nice and clean. And we'll go ahead and put those in here, plug them in so you can see what those look like as well. And I've connected our backlight adapter. We've got a new version here for this new truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in so you can see how that interacts. Now we've got a backlight adapter for several of the other model Raptors as well. So if you have an older model Raptor, you can also get this adapter. But it plugs in here right underneath the hood, right in between an existing connector. And that's going to give you that backlight power for those. So now, if I unlock the doors or I open the doors, you'll notice that those amber lights are going to kick on. So I'll go and open the doors here. And you should see the amber backlight there in those lights. All right, so now you can see here with our marker adapter, we've got that amber backlight. Now you can see with our backlight adapter, we've got that amber backlight tied into the marker lights, parking lights. If I lock the doors, they go off. Unlock the doors, they come on. Open the doors and so on. Or if your headlights or parking lights are on, those amber backlights are going to be on as well. All right, so here we are on the outside of the truck. Again, we're taking a look at the Diode Dynamics 2x4 pods compared to the stock Ford spec'd DOT lights. And you should notice already that you're getting a little bit more coverage, longer beam. Actually, these might be spots. The cool thing about Diode Dynamics are you can choose different lenses and you can swap them out right there on the front of the case. Flood, spot, driving. I believe there's a combo in these as well. And there is also a fog series, which I think would be more in the lines of a wide pattern. But again, these are both the same, so you would want probably two different patterns so that you can get more coverage over here. And we'll go ahead and turn off the lights so you can see the effect with the amber backlight. All right, so now you can see here with our lights off, we've got the amber backlights in the Diode Dynamics lights, which ties in along with the marker lights and parking lights. Very similar to what the Radiants do. So if you want to use that factory fog housing, and you want that amber backlight, the Diode Dynamics are going to be your only choice at this point. And they're great lights as well. And for those of you that do want the full-fledged 3-pod rigid radiance or scene lights, you can get those again now. We do have a new release of our triple mount bracket for the Gen 3. We didn't think we were going to be able to do it. We didn't think we'd be able to get 3 of them to fit in there, but by golly, we did. We got 3 of them to fit into the factory fogs location. All right, so check it out at SPVparts.com and you can get these Diode Dynamics and a lot of other light options and accessories for your off-road trucks and Raptors. Again, SPVparts.com. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.